Okay, looks like we're going to try this again for the third damn time. All right, so I ordered a set of AFR 205 Renegade heads from my old Fox Body Mustang, and they just came in. So, kind of show what they look like. I did get the different springs for it, because I'm running a Edelbrock Roland Thunder cam, so it's a hydraulic roller, and I had to switch to the hydraulic roller valve springs. So it cost me a little bit more for that, but whatever, it is what it is. The exhaust ports are really nice. Everything's cleaned up. The only thing that I don't like is the water jackets. This shit is rough, bad. But that's fine. I'll clean them out. It's not a huge deal. It's just kind of a minor complaint with the amount of money you spend on them. The intake ports are really nice. Everything's machined out, nice and smooth. The spark plug's going. Everything looks pretty nice. I don't see like any metal shavings or anything crazy like that in there. But overall, yeah, pretty excited, ready to get them on. This is going on my 81 Fox Body Mustang that I built. It's got a 393 stroker in it. And then I've also got some more parts in the back that I may do a video on, not really sure. One of them is a Torque Storm supercharger. And then I have a set of hooker headers, Scorpion roller rockers, and then my gaskets, and all of my my exhaust will be in here shortly, hopefully. So maybe I'll be able to get all this put together. But thanks for watching.